Hello and welcome to the channel. Here I use Microsoft Office shapes to create art. Today I'm going to show you how to make a kayak really quickly. Go Insert, Shapes, select the chord. It's a half circle. I'm going to rotate it. Bring this down by grasping that yellow dot. And now I'm going to grasp this white dot and move it across until I get a shape that I like. Like so. Maybe bring it in a little bit, widen it. Bring this one up a little bit. Okay. Now I go into shape format, select the format shape. You can also right click, select format shape down here. Go into the middle icon, go into 3D format. Make it a little bit bigger here, sorry. Top bevel, we're going to select the first one, which is round. And then this width, I'm just going to type it in. I'm going to put like 85. And then for the height, about 60. Okay. As you can see, it's starting to take shape here. And you can make it as wide, as narrow as you want. I'm going to make this a little bit higher up, like so. Okay, and then for the material, I'm going to select the metal. I'm going to change the fill as well to a lighter blue, solid. Sorry, bring that into screen. I'm going to select this blue. Now, second part, shapes. I'm going to take two shapes. I'm going to take the oval, and I'm going to change that to black. I'd like to make it into gradient. So let's just see if we can make it into a gradient. Okay, it's going to change a little bit. Let's take that, and I'm going to make this gradient black. And this one black. The middle part maybe like a darker gray. Let's just go a little bit lighter than that, like that. Okay, so that's going to be the inside, the axis. I'm going to make that smaller because we're going to throw in another piece here just quickly. And it's going to be this one, like a ring. And then, I don't know if maybe make it, should we make it darker blue? Maybe make it darker blue. And just get that fitted on like so. Then you can take all of it, all three, select them, and left click while holding down shift, and go to the group objects and then group them. And now make this into fixed position. So there you have your kayak. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Please subscribe if you like this video. Thank you.